A very good afternoon to dear my students. I am Dr. Abhinav Kamal Raina, Department of Commerce ABST, Government College Nasirabad. Today my lecture will be on determination of statistical units. In the last lecture I discussed about what statistics is all about, what is the nature of statistics, what are the various definitions of statistics, and what are the characteristics of statistics, and more with the emphasis on what is data all about. Now today in this lecture we'll discuss about what is the scale, what is the role of a scale in the measurement. We will discuss about what are the statistical units, and we will end up with the definitions given in the chapter to well understand the concept behind it, because in the next chapters when we go through the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, it will be easier for us to interpret the results if we can understand the determination of statistical units in its totality. Now, dear students, there is a basis of measurement which is known as scale, and this scale is important for weight, measuring or counting the various items. Now, dear students, I would like to add here or emphasize here the scale or the units of measurement should be chosen very, very carefully. Otherwise, it would be difficult to collect data, and if so data has been collected, it will be difficult to interpret and get the appropriate results as desired. Now, what is a statistical unit? Very important, and this question may arise in your mind to understand the unit. If we go for the simple definition or in words for your understanding, statistical units are the measurement in terms of which data is collected. I will repeat, measurement in terms of which data is collected. Now here statistical units can be measured either by enumeration or measurement, or very important second, both are basically important, but analysis and interpretation part is very important unless and until we go for the collection of data, we go for the measurement of the data, but we are not able to interpret it or analyze it properly, we cannot get the desired results. Now, under measurement, we have simple units and we have the composite units. There are two units subdivision in the part first. Number one can be classified as simple units, and it can be classified as number second, composite units. Under analysis and interpretation, we can have the rate, we can have the ratio, we can have the coefficient. Now let us discuss each terminology, what simple unit is all about, what composite unit is all about, what can be the definition of the rate, one can be the definition of the ratio, and what can be the definition of the coefficient. And then at the end of the lecture, while after understanding all such units, we can I can give you some exercise at home where better you can answer and send it to me so that I can evaluate it, interpret it and give you the feedback. Coming again to the first part, units of enumeration or measurement. If we go for the definition of it, we can tell you that the units in terms of which it is measured can be the units of enumeration or the measurement. And under this, we have either the simple unit or the composite units. Now, let us discuss one by one what simple unit is all about. Simple units is mostly expressed in one word. Its meaning is generally known as common use. For example, hour, person, kilogram, rupee. But when we talk about the composite unit, such units are made up of the combination of two or more simple units. For example, labor hour. We talk about labor hour in costing. Passenger, kilometer, ratio. Ton to be compared with the kilograms. If such examples are there in its measurement, we can treat such units as the composite units. Now, very important is now the units of analysis and interpretation, because statistics is basically collection followed by the methodologies, and end of the process it is analysis as well as the interpretation for better decision making. If we go for the definition of it, to understand it properly, those units on the basis of which data is compared are known as units of analysis. For example, ratio, percentage, rate, or the coefficient. Under these units we have two numbers or the quantities that can be measured in the form of the ratio. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Out of 400 people, 120 are educated. Then we can say 120 upon 400 or 3 per person, or 30% of the persons are educated. Statistical rates are mostly expressed as percent or as per thousand. Dear students, we should note here that birth rate and death rates are mentioned as per thousand, while interest is expressed always in percent. Now, second important definition is ratio. The relationship between two homogeneous or similar quantities is expressed in the form of the ratio. I will quote an example. If in a town, number of men is 48,000 and Number of women is 60,000. Then what will be the ratio? Ratio will be 48 and 60. Now very important, one more definition is to understand for the students of BCom is the coefficient. As per definition, a unit of interpretation used for comparison purpose is known as coefficient. For example, population of a town is 10,000, out of which 1,500 are children, then the coefficient will be given in the following formula, which is as under. The formula for this is C is equal to Q upon N. C is equal to Q upon N. I will repeat again. That means 1,500 divided by 1,000, that comes to 0.15. Here C is equal to coefficient, N is equal to total number, and Q is the quantity. Thus, coefficient or per unit ratio of the children is 0.15 if you calculate it. And the second formula for it is Q is equal to C into N, that is equal to 0.15 into 10,000. Again it will come 1.5. Now second part of it is to understand the characteristics of these chapter, that is it should be simple and clear. It should be stability and standards in units. Homogeneity and uniformity must be there. Suitability of the data is very important. Comparability of the data has to be ascertained. And last is the degree of accuracy has to be maintained. Now dear students, I will give you short answer questions to you. You just write down the questions at your home and then send me on the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 935-132-9052. I will evaluate it and will send you the feedback. Questions: what can be the difference between the ratio and rate? I will repeat. What can be the difference between the ratio and rate? Second question: what is the main purpose of investigation in statistics? I will repeat it again. What is the main purpose of investigation in statistics? Number third, what are the statistical units and what are the subheads of the statistical units? There are 3 questions. I will repeat it. Send it to me on my WhatsApp. I will evaluate you and will give you the feedback. Thank you very much.